Understanding hoof disease in cattle, causes, symptoms, and treatment. Introduction. Welcome to Cattle My Future. In today's video, we will discuss a critical health issue affecting cattle, the hoof disease. Hoof diseases can significantly impact the productivity and well-being of cattle, leading to severe pain, reduced mobility, and economic losses for farmers. In this video, we will explore the causes, symptoms, prevention, and treatment of hoof diseases in cattle. Let's get started. Understanding hoof diseases in cattle. The hoofs of cattle play a vital role in their overall health and performance. Any damage or infection in the hoofs can lead to lameness, affecting the animal's ability to walk, eat, and gain weight properly. Hoof diseases are particularly common in dairy and beef cattle raised in intensive farming systems. There are several types of hoof diseases, including foot rot, digital dermatitis, laminitis, hoof cracks and injuries. Now, let's discuss these diseases in detail. 1. Foot rot. Foot rot is a highly contagious bacterial infection that causes severe lameness in cattle. It occurs when bacteria such as Fusobacterium necrophorum and Bacteroides melaninogenicus enter the hoof through cuts or cracks. Symptoms of foot rot: swelling and redness between the hooves, foul-smelling discharge, lameness and reluctance to walk, fever in severe cases. Causes of foot rot: walking on rough, wet, or muddy surfaces, injury from sharp objects like stones or nails, poor hoof hygiene. Treatment of foot rot: cleaning the affected hoof thoroughly, applying antiseptics or antibiotics, providing soft bedding to avoid further irritation, consulting a veterinarian for advanced treatment. 2. Digital dermatitis, hairy heel warts. Digital dermatitis is a painful, contagious hoof disease caused by bacteria called treponema. It is commonly seen in dairy cattle and spreads rapidly in wet and dirty environments. Symptoms of digital dermatitis: circular, red, and ulcer-like lesions on the heel, hairy wart-like growths, lameness and reduced milk production. Causes of digital dermatitis: unsanitary living conditions, standing in manure or dirty water for long periods, spread through contaminated equipment or floors. Treatment of digital dermatitis: regular foot bathing using copper sulfate or formalin, antibiotic sprays applied directly to the affected area, keeping the barn and walkways clean and dry. 3. Laminitis founder. Laminitis is an inflammatory condition affecting the hooves, leading to extreme pain and difficulty in movement. It is more common in dairy cattle due to high-energy diets and metabolic imbalances. Symptoms of laminitis: swollen and tender hooves, difficulty standing or walking, reluctance to put weight on the affected leg. Causes of laminitis: excessive grain or carbohydrate intake, poor nutrition management, standing on hard surfaces for long periods. Treatment of laminitis: adjusting the diet to reduce high-starch feeds, providing comfortable flooring, hoof trimming to relieve pressure, pain management through veterinary care. 4. Hoof cracks and injuries. Hoof cracks and injuries are common in cattle that walk on uneven or rocky surfaces. They may not always lead to infections, but they can cause pain and discomfort. Symptoms of hoof cracks and injuries: visible cracks or splits in the hoof wall, sensitivity when walking, possible bleeding or discharge if infected. Causes of hoof cracks and injuries: dry and brittle hooves, rough or rocky terrain, improper hoof trimming. Treatment of hoof cracks and injuries: applying hoof conditioners to prevent dryness, trimming and balancing the hoof properly, using protective hoof boots if necessary. Preventive measures for hoof health: prevention is always better than cure. Here are some essential hoof care tips to keep your cattle healthy. Regular hoof trimming: trim hooves every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent overgrowth and imbalance. Proper nutrition: provide a balanced diet with minerals like biotin and zinc for strong hooves. Clean and dry environment: keep the barn floors dry and clean to prevent bacterial infections. Foot baths: use copper sulfate or formalin foot baths to reduce the risk of infections. Early detection and treatment: inspect hooves regularly and address any issues before they worsen. Conclusion: hoof diseases can severely impact cattle productivity and well-being, but with proper care, they can be prevented and managed effectively. By maintaining good hygiene, providing balanced nutrition, and ensuring regular hoof trimming, farmers can protect their cattle from painful hoof conditions. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Cattle My Future. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.